adding an extra layer of polish to its mobile OS with Android 17. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Not surprisingly, Android 17 will lean into more integration with Google's Gemini. But if you're not into AI, there are still a few additions when it comes to file sharing with iOS, 3D emojis, and quitting addictive apps. Google surprised us all last year with Android's Quick Share feature on Pixel 10, 9, and 8a phones. And now Google confirmed that the feature already works on a bunch of Samsungs and different Android phones as well. Google's letting you generate QR codes on any Android phone so you can quickly share files with iOS users over the cloud. Also, Google also says it's worked together with Apple to make it easier for people to switch from iOS to Android devices. Apple also confirmed that the feature is a part of the new iOS 26.5 update. As for those 3D emojis, they're precisely what they sound like. You can definitely call this progress for Google, as the last time we've seen some major emoji evolution was almost a decade ago in Android Oreo O, when the company moved away from undefined formless blobs to a more distinctive design. A potentially more useful new feature in Android 17 is Pause Point, a 10-second delay that appears when you open distracting apps, giving you a chance to rethink your life choices before doom scrolling on TikTok for an hour. Google pitches Pause Point as a more practical way to stop distracting browsing than a total lockout. Ironically, Android 17 is also making it easier to produce content for social media, while also making it a bit more annoying to scroll. Google's new Screen Reactions feature lets you quickly record an overlaid video on top of whatever's on your screen. These are all features making Android 17 an exciting upgrade for sure. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.